How much is? In Hungarian, learn.
Mennyibe kerül?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to shop smart in Hungarian? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Picture this. A talking wallet jumps out and whispers, "Before I get lighter, ask."
Mennyibe kerül?
Exclamation mark quote. Do the money gesture, rub your thumb against your fingers, then ask confidently. Quick chant to lock it in. Mennyibe kerül?
Mennyibe kerül?
Clap, clap. Your phrase and pronunciation. Let's nail the sound and meaning so you can use it anywhere. Say it with me.
Mennyibe kerül?
How much is? Rhyme to remember. Mennyibe? Say.
Mennyibe?
Price you'll tell, add.
Kerül?
As well. False friend tip. Don't say, mennyi kerül? Use the be suffix.
Mennyibe kerül?
Compare.
Mennyibe kerül?
Asks price, vs.
Mennyi?
How much, how many? Gesture reminder. Rub thumb and fingers while asking, universal money mime. Market dialogue. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're at a Budapest stall. You.
Mennyibe kerül?
A polo, how much is? The T-shirt. Seller.
3000 forint.
3000 forints. You. Great, thanks. You.
Elnézést, mennyibe kerül?
Easy a cave, excuse me, how much is? This coffee. Barista.
800 forint.
You.
Mennyibe kerül?
A bus to G, how much is? The bus ticket. Clerk.
1000 forint.
Wallet, stage whisper, nice. My diet can wait. Quick drills. Rapid fire practice, answer out loud and keep the rhythm. Base phrase, go.
Mennyibe kerül?
Plug-in items. A T-shirt.
Mennyibe kerül?
A polo. This coffee.
Mennyibe kerül?
Easy a cave. The bus ticket.
Mennyibe kerül?
A bus to G. Word bank for shopping power-ups.
Ár.
Equals price.
Olcsó.
Equals cheap.
Drága.
Equals expensive.
Kedvezmény.
Equals discount.
Nyugta.
Equals receipt.
Pénz.
Equals money. Bonus ask. Is there a discount?
Van kedvezmény.
Ask for the receipt.
Kaphatok nyugtát.
Culture tip. Paying in forint. A tiny tip to save you coins and smiles. At Budapest's Great Market Hall, vendors love when you try.
Mennyibe kerül?
Before handing over your.
Pénz.
If a price feels
Drága.
expensive, politely ask about a
Kedvezmény.
discount. Always grab a
Nyugta.
receipt, and keep an eye on the
Ár.
price. If it's
Olcsó.
cheap, celebrate with a chimney cake. Lightning quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after the pause. Ch.20. How do you say, how much is, in Hungarian? A.
Mennyibe kerül?
Ch.2. True or false?
Mennyibe kerül?
Means, where is? A. False. It asks the price. Ch.3. What does
Ár.
mean? A. Price. Ch.4. Fill the blank.
Mennyibe kerül?
A J-E-G-Y. A.
Mennyibe kerül?
A J-E-G-Y. Final challenge. Time to play real life, 3 scenes, 1 hero, you. Scene 1, Cafe. Make the money gesture and ask the barista.
Elnézést, mennyibe kerül?
Easy a cave. Scene 2, bus stop. Point at the machine and say.
Mennyibe kerül?
A bus G. Scene 3, market. Hold up the t-shirt and confidently ask.
Mennyibe kerül?
A polo. Mnemonic check. Mennyibe?
Mennyibe?
Kerül?
Kerül.
Bonus sci-fi level. On Mars Bazaar number 7, even aliens understand.
Mennyibe kerül?
Beam up those savings. Wrap up. You did great, your wallet applauds. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Mennyibe kerül?
Plus your word bank.
Ár, olcsó, drága, kedvezmény, nyugta, pénz.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and resources. See you next time.